Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to look at all the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2026.04. In this version we concentrated on the development and implementation of our new web client. We deliver a new web server and SAP Web Extensions installation, a streamlined web version of the production cockpit, and several item and production-related functions. Let's see all these in detail. The new web client requires the new Beas server installation. This is available in this current version. The detailed installation guide can be accessed in our tutorial article in the Boyum Help Center. The new web client also requires the installation of SAP Web Extensions. This is available in this current version. Again, the detailed installation guide can be accessed in our tutorial article in the Boyum Help Center. Our new modern backend server is built with ASP.NET Core to serve data to the SAP and Beas web client. It connects directly to the database and to the SAP service layer. This simplifies the installation and the configuration of a secure HTTPS connection with the SAP web client extension, with no need of using extra tools. The server provides OData-enabled endpoints for some Beas entities, database switching, and supports both MS SQL and SAP HANA databases. Our new modern web-based client for Beas Manufacturing follows the SAP Fiori design guidelines for familiar and consistent user experience, with support for multiple languages and themes. It can run in any browser, PC or mobile devices. The currently available views include Item Bomb and Operations, Production Cockpit, Inventory History, Inventory Movements List, Material Requirements and Work Order Status. In this version we offer a new cockpit in the Beas web client with visual improvements, new KPIs and new actions. 2 new KPI cards have been added. The schedule adherence card shows the percentage of work orders that were completed on time compared to their planned finish date. The production efficiency card compares planned versus actual time and material consumption for work orders. Higher efficiency means less time and fewer materials used than originally planned. 2 new actions have also been added for the cockpit. Now you can navigate to the material requirements view directly from a work order in progress, and navigate to the inventory history view. This view is only accessible from the SAP web client, Beas Manufacturing extension. The new inventory history view in the Beas web client goes beyond transaction history. For a given item, it shows stock levels, open documents, and consumption analysis in a single page. The view includes a header with summary info, on hand, available, committed, ordered, on production, and reserved quantities. Stock distribution by warehouse, with drill down into bin locations, batch numbers, serial numbers, and reservations. 12-month consumption trend chart. Inventory health indicators. Coverage days and turnover. Open production, sales and purchase orders. MRP plan details with plan selector. And open transfer requests. This view is accessible from the sales order and item views in the SAP web client, Beas Manufacturing extension. The 2026 April version also introduces a new view in the Beas web client to check inventory movements. It shows all stock transactions, goods receipts, issues, transfers, invoices, production orders. In and out quantities per transaction, color-coded, green for in, blue for out. Batch serial number and bin location details. Filters by item, batch and serial, warehouse, and date range. This view is accessible from the Beas web client, in Inventory History. In the new Beas web client you can view and navigate into an item's bill of materials and operations, routings. You can access the list of materials and the list of operations for each item, by opening a specific material or routing to see its details. Access is available from the item detail in the SAP web client by using the Beas Manufacturing extension. Similarly to Item Bomb, You can navigate into an item's operations, routings, from the Beas web client. Inside the item's BOM, you can check all the details of a material in a more organized and modern way. Navigate between positions using the navigation arrows, and view all related information grouped in clearly labeled sections and tabs. Inside the item's operations, you can also check all the details of an operation in a more organized and modern way. Navigate between positions using the navigation arrows, and view all related information grouped in clearly labeled sections and tabs. We are introducing a new view in the Beas web client to check material needs for work orders. You can search by work order to see all bill of materials with their stock coverage and shortage status. The view includes required, open, booked, and reserved quantities per material. Coverage bar indicating available stock per material. This view is accessible from the Beas web client, in the production cockpit's work orders in progress. The Beas web client features a new view to track the production status of work orders. Search by sales order number, sales order line, or customer to see all related work orders with their production progress and operation details. The view includes work order grid showing item, status, quantity progress, made versus planned, delivery dates, and operation status. Risk tags that flag delayed, blocked, or quantity risk work orders. Operation progress dots per work order with tooltip details. This view is accessible from the SAP web client, Beas manufacturing extension. This concludes the introduction of the major improvements and fixes of Beas Manufacturing 2026.04. Our next release is planned for the end of June 2026. If you have any questions or comments, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much and please stay tuned for our upcoming videos.